Discover the majestic Kumara Parvatha, a breathtaking destination located merely 250 kilometers away from the Silicon city of Bangalore. Get on a memorable journey and escape the chaos of city life to immerse yourself in the serene beauty of nature's paradise. Trekking is more than a physical journey. It's a soul stirring journey that takes us away from the hustle of daily life and immerses us in the raw beauty of nature. Our group had the opportunity to experience one of the most scenic treks in Karnataka. The majority of them were first time trekkers. Our stay was at Kannika Homestay, which is just 5 kilometers away from the trekking starting point. The homestay was decent and you will get to see lot of flowers. Our trek guide Sham, I call him a superhero. With his extensive experience in numerous treks, he easily navigates through challenging terrains. This is his Insta ID. You can contact him if you need any info or would like to be part of any future treks that he organizes. We started our trek exactly at 9 am. Trekkers need to report to Forest Department, which is 2 kilometers away from the starting point, for general checking. The trek can be approached from two sides, Somwarpet and Kukke Subramanya. Since most of us were first time trekkers, we decided to choose the easier option, which is the Somwarpet route. Ideally, the trek starts from Kukke Subramanya and ends in Somwarpet, allowing for an ascent from one end and descent at the other end. The Pushpagiri, also known as Subramanya Hill, is the fourth highest peak in Karnataka. It stands at approximately 5,600 feet above and is situated in the districts of Dakshina Kannada, Kodagu and Hassan. We can find fresh water at some of the falls where we can fill our bottles if needed. It also serves as a great spot for photography and engaging in some playful monkey activities. This trek is almost 8 kilometers long one side and includes mount climbing, which is relatively manageable even for the first time trekkers. After that mountain climb, you will witness a spectacular view where all the forest trees looks like umbrellas. We need to continue for another 3 kilometers to reach the summit or peak. After a quick lunch, we headed back to base before it gets dark. Our next day trek was Merankote, which offers a spectacular view of the entire Kumara Parvatha. This trek was relatively easy, with a total distance of around 6 kilometers and a proper road leading up to the peak. There is even a jeep facility available to take you to the peak. The views of those hills are absolutely fabulous. After some relaxation and taking photos, we headed to our final activity, a small waterfall. It was much needed to get a proper massage after a couple of days of trekking.